Is your iPhone feeling slow or Safari acting weird? You might not know this, but Safari stores a lot of hidden data that can slow down your phone and even track your browsing history. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to clear Safari app data and browsing history on your iPhone the right way. This simple trick can free up storage space, fix loading problems, and protect your privacy. It only takes few minutes, and anyone can do it. Make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss an important step that could make your Safari faster and more secure. The first thing to do is to go to Settings on our iPhone. Now, scroll down till you find Safari and tap on it. And if you are using a new iOS version or a newer iPhone, first look for Apps, then look for Safari and open it. Now, inside Safari in Settings, scroll down and look for Clear History and Website Data. And this lets you clear the data and history of websites you've opened in Safari. Now, tap on Clear History and Website Data. Now, proceed and tap on Clear History and Data again. Then you will get this pop-up to close the tabs or keep tabs, and I will tap on Close Tabs. Then every history, data, and website tabs will be closed. Now, if we go back to Safari, every tab, history, and data has been cleared. Now, let's go back to Settings. Now, inside Safari Settings, scroll down to Advanced and tap on it. Now, inside the Advanced Settings, tap on Website Data. And as you can see, since I cleared the data, history, and tabs, everything is cleared here. But if you want to only clear the website data, this is where you clean it. So now let's go back to Safari and open some websites to build some website data to show you how to clear only the website data. And after opening some websites, you can see some website data of the sites I visited here. Now tab on Remove All Website Data. And when this pop-up appears, tap on Remove Now. Now, if you open Safari again, you will see the tabs are still there. And when you tap on it, the website will automatically refresh. And that's how you clear Safari app data and browsing history on your iPhone. As you can see, it's quick and easy, and it helps improve your phone's speed, free up space, and protect your privacy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.